Excited about sunshine.
Yeah, it's been nice today. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful November day. Just about as average as you can get when the lows are in the upper 40s in the morning and the highs are near 70 degrees. And really, other than some minor fluctuations the rest of the week, it's going to be a fairly normal mid-November remainder of the week. Skies are clear right now, as you can see. Our temperature at 65 degrees currently. Your evening planning forecast there, keeping the skies clear all night long. By 10 p.m., we're down to about 53 degrees. Overnight lows will again fall back into the 40s across most of the area. Maybe some 30s in some of the cold pockets out here in the hill country. 66 degrees in Fredericksburg right now. It's 68 in Llano. Burn it. You're at 65. 66 in Georgetown, 67 over in Bastrop, 64 degrees in LaGrange, so temperature's pretty consistent out there. In the city, it's clear, and we are 65. Out at ABIA, 67 degrees under a clear sky with pretty low relative humidities in the 30 to 35% range. Winds, there are none here in the city right now. At the airport, the winds are east-northeasterly at 3 miles per hour. Not much daylight left tonight. 5:33 is sunset this evening. Mold count was down today. We told you yesterday they should be getting lower and lower in concentration in the atmosphere over the next several days due to the drier air. And indeed, today, 841 is a medium count, and we don't expect that tomorrow it should be much higher than in that medium category. Around Texas, pretty nice day statewide. 60s in most locations. You get to San Antonio, though, and down toward Corpus and the coast, most everybody in the low 70s. A storm system yesterday that brought us the early morning fog and drizzle, then some clouds during the day. That thing kicked on out of the state early this morning, taking the clouds with it. And now, as you can see, skies are clear pretty much across all of Texas. That storm taking a lot of wet weather, though, from the Midwest all the way up into New England by tonight and tomorrow. And then there is another system that is diving to the southeast out of the Rocky Mountains right now. It'll stay far enough to the north of us that it won't bring us any significant weather. It will drag a cold front into the hill country early tomorrow afternoon into the metro area by the mid to late afternoon hours. That will switch the winds to a northerly direction. It will make temperatures a little colder tomorrow night and early Thursday morning. And then Friday morning, too, looking at some pretty cold weather. But then beyond that, a nice warming trend gets underway for the weekend. And you'll see that here in the 7-day forecast in a minute. Let's begin with a look at tonight. Our overnight low temperatures, again, in most locations, should bottom out in the low to mid-40s. But low-lying areas, valleys, river, creek bottoms could see readings in the 30s to start the day tomorrow. And then a nice, healthy warm-up because we'll be ahead of that front most of the day, and a dry southwesterly wind should take temperatures up into the low to mid-70s in most areas. The cooler weather settling in tomorrow night. Tonight, under a clear sky, our low in Austin, about 46 in the morning, with a south-southwesterly wind beginning to kick in during the overnight period. And then that wind picks up tomorrow about 10 to 15. And then late in the day, it shifts around to the northwest and then to the north. But before that happens, we get up to about 74. And lots of sunshine tomorrow, maybe a few little clouds here and there with the front. And lots of sunshine on Thursday, too. But we're a little bit cooler, down to 42. Friday morning cold, 38 to start the day, 70 in the afternoon. And then this weekend, we get a good onshore southeasterly flow from the Gulf. So the skies will get a little cloudier from Saturday all the way to next Tuesday, but the temperatures will get significantly warmer into the upper 70s, could even hit 80 degrees by Monday. The rain chances pretty slight Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday, too. Looks like we may get a cold front just in time for Thanksgiving. We'll know more about that, of course, in the days to come.
Jim, thanks.